Creeping phlox is an ideal vibrant ground cover phlox for your rocky gardens. The soft pastel shades of blooming creeping phlox will bring a welcoming sight to your garden. The creeping phlox is a native of Central and Eastern United States and is perennial. The vibrant semi-evergreen creeping phlox will bloom beautifully in any tough place. Get to know how long creeping phlox bloom. Creeping phlox will mostly bloom vigorously for 3 to 4 weeks around middle spring till late spring. They can probably hold on to their blooms for more than a month. They might even sustain their blooms for up to 6 weeks if the temperature is cool and friendly in your area. However, they will only bloom for no more than 6 weeks. Around April to June, they will radiate their bright hues of color, giving that stunning impression to your garden. Their bloom colors are delicate pink, white, dark red, or bluish purples. On the other hand, the garden phlox will bloom around July all through the middle of September and develop into 4 feet of some wonderful colors. Therefore, they bloom during summer in all zones where they are grown. Creeping phlox flowering in the summer. During summer, the bloom may start to give some brownish discoloration. Not to worry, that's only part of their developmental stage. This means their bloom season is over because they don't flourish too much during summer. For this reason, don't place the young plant in a very hot location. Their location should be partly sunny. However, once your creeping phlox are fully established, they can withstand dry hot exposure even better than other phlox varieties. Creeping phlox is best planted in the ground rather than in any container. This is because they spread their blooms 24 to 28 inches outwards, cascading gorgeously. When their blooming season is over, they will turn into a short green ground cover plant. Have in mind that they are Zone 3 plants, therefore they are winter hardy. Creeping phlox care to ensure continuous bloom. Your creeping phlox will need some special care for you to enjoy continuous blooms every spring. Apply some mulch and a layer of compost to prevent weeds. Keep the soil of your plant moist, especially during the hot periods. You can trim the stem after flowering to encourage a second bloom. You may need to cut the plant 2 inches down to encourage the renewal of the young stem. Creeping phlox is usually affected by powdery mildew. Therefore, ensure you divide your plant often for aeration to reduce or prevent this disease from affecting your creeping phlox. Growing creeping phlox is pretty beneficial. Their maintenance is not so stressful. They will always come back next spring, spreading their blooms outwards every year. Therefore, you get to enjoy all year round amazing blooms. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.